Hey guys, welcome to Rocky Mountain Sports Cards. My name is Tessie and I'm just here because Francis made me. I guess I'm opening
Oh, that's not the one you want?
pack. Yeah,
Okay, you maybe can pick another one. You got 3. Which one do you want?
that's one.
Okay, pick it.
Okay, this is 2020 Absolute Football.
Let's get it.
Yeah.
Be like Justin Herbert.
I hope I get paid for this because I was watching my Instagram and then someone was like, "Oh, come over here." Okay. Okay, I can't read it. Oh, sorry. Okay. Melvin Gordon. Joe Nixon or Mixon. Yeah, I know all these players. Oh, thank you for my glasses, baby.
What did you get?
Joe Mixon and El Gordito. And then, let's see. Julian Edelman. Oh, if I look at the phone, then I can see the names. Wait. No, I cannot.
Gardner Minshew.
Yeah, that guy. George.
Gotta make sure that people be able to see it.
Like okay, right sorry guys.
Right over?
Yes. George Kittle.
Ooh, you got a hit.
Oh, hello, handsome.
No, he's not. Jordan Brooks?
Yeah.
Not handsome.
Okay. Sorry, baby, I forgot. Okay. Jordan Love.
I'll take him. He's okay.
Oh, you love him?
No.
Cole McDonald. Ooh, that made me hungry. Okay. LaVisca.
I don't even know.
I don't know. I'm not gonna try. And Zach Moss. Ooh, I don't know who that is.
All right, perfect, guys. So, say thank you.
You're welcome. You're welcome. Why am I gonna say thank you?
Thank you guys for watching Rocky Mountain Sports Cards.
You're supposed to say thank you.
That's you.
Sorry, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.
We'll see you guys in the next video. Boom.